Got a mold problem in Boca Raton? Boca Water Damage Restoration is your go-to mold remediation company in Boca Raton. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of mold remediation and how it keeps your space healthy. Wondering about the price tag for hiring a mold remediation company in Florida? It's a mixed bag, ranging from $500 to a steep $30,000, based on damage and area size. Pro tip: grab quotes from different spots like Boca Water Damage Restoration to balance your budget and needs. Hunting for a magic bullet to kill mold dead? No silver bullets here, but pros mix antimicrobial chemicals and elbow grease to knock out mold. Think bleach or borax solutions, plus some serious scrubbing action. Got mold on wood that just won't quit? The 1-2 punch of vinegar or borax, combined with moisture control, is your best bet. Finish off with sanding and a mold-resistant sealant for a knockout. Mold spores in the air cramping your style? HEPA filters are your new best friends. Pair them with low humidity and good airflow to keep those spores at bay. Can you send mold packing for good? Keep things dry and airy and clean up spills pronto. That's your recipe for a mold-resistant home. What's in a pro's toolkit for mold wars? Think EPA-approved fungicides, dry ice blasting, and HEPA vacuums. And the pros at Boca Water Damage Restoration? They don't miss a spot. Feeling off and suspect mold's the culprit? Watch for trouble breathing, rashes, and non-stop sneezing, among other ills. Spot these signs? Time for medical advice and a call to your mold remediation company in Boca Raton. Do air purifiers actually help with mold? Yes, if they've got HEPA filters. But remember, they're just part of the bigger mold-fighting picture. Ready to tackle mold? Hire a mold remediation company in Boca Raton and get a free quote from our team of experts at Boca Water Damage Restoration. We are your ally in this fight. Reach out at 561-612-4666 and say goodbye to mold for good.